In this video, I'm going to break down how I get amazing results for one of my clients who runs an AI video production company, has an entire team of video editors and VAs working around the clock, working with top doctors and wellness experts around the world. My name is Jason. I own JLS Video Agency here in Los Angeles, and I've scaled from being a videographer to now owning my own SMMA. And in this video, I'm going to teach you some of the things that I use to get my clients amazing results and a little behind the scenes look at a day in the life of working with this client. Assisted intelligence wellness. Let's get into it. All right, so this is our Frame.io under AI wellness. There are a lot of different folders and categories and et cetera and projects that we manage. We also do all of our communication via WhatsApp. So there's a lot going on at all times. It's a little bit challenging to stay managed and organized, but we do our best. I'm going to focus on the digital twin content right now because that's really what we're pushing. So we basically work with these top doctors and wellness experts around the country, and we basically create AI avatars of them and then have them speak about different subjects and topics. Here you can see all the ones we made in April. These are all various speakers, well, AI versions of these speakers talking to camera and talking about their products. Let's just scroll through and play one of them. Let's see which we want to watch. This is a good one. This is Rafael Gonzalez promoting one of his nonprofits that he works with. Oh, that's a nice comment.
Duchenne is a really awful disease. It's a terminal muscle wasting disease without a cure yet. It's something that affects about 1 in every 3,500 births. Years old and lose their...
Okay, so there he is. That looks like him.
They might not
sounds like him.
Walk, play, or even move like other kids their age. It's just devastating.
That's his AI avatar. And these doctors are busy, and they do not have time to record their own content. So we use HeyGen to do this. Why don't I give you a little behind-the-scenes look of HeyGen while we're at it? This is the AI avatar software that we use, and we have about 50 different digital avatars loaded inside here at any given time. Sometimes we'll swap them out if we get new avatars. So here you can see all of the various people that we filmed over the last year preloaded on here, and we can create content with them. We've gotten all of their permission to do so. And whenever we release new content, we make sure to get their permission before posting it. Click on one and you can kind of see how fun and funky this thing is. Watch this.
Hey, Cameron Lowe, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback.
Yep, that was shot in Vegas, and these were all done at different conferences around the country over the last year.
AI wellness had an
Okay, this was one of the coolest events that we did recently, Gold Meets Golden. Para-Olympian athletes there, and I guess a few celebrities. Oh, she's cool. And we basically had all these top doctors and wellness experts from around the country hanging out on these interactive mirrors. They couldn't be there. They couldn't attend in person, but they had all their products and their AI avatars there speaking. So we were able to basically transform this conference and make it more interactive and fun and engaging by bringing these professional doctors out there, even though they couldn't be there. All right, so that's a little behind the scenes look of assisted intelligence wellness and kind of some of the content that we make for them and how we're able to keep everything somewhat organized despite the insanity and some of the cool events that we've done for them. Yeah, feel free to check out the other videos on my page about video production, running a video agency, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.